Hey everybody, it's Mary from Life in the RV, and today we are here to give you a sneak peek at the inside of the GPS to Full-Time RV Living coaching program. So you start off, it's a 6-month course, and it's to help you get ready to be on the road by June 1st, because you can't start in April because that'll be too late. You need to start now and start planning ahead 6 months. So here we go. We got your welcome aboard, mile zero, and we do miles, not months. Each week you get a video lesson on Thursday, and then on Sunday we do a live Q&A Zoom. If you can't make it, it is recorded and will be in your dashboard. You can submit any questions you have. It's a 30-minute Zoom call, but if we need to go longer, that's fine. We have 6 months worth. Let me show you inside. This is what you'll get as soon as you sign up. You get mile zero. And then on 12/3, you get your first email. 12/4, you get your first video lesson. And this is what you'll find inside. There's your video lesson. You get some information. Next category. Here's week 2. If there's any downloads, they'll be right over here. You just click it and it downloads for you. And then you just continue with your next lessons. And we'll go back to all the categories. You see all the categories here. Each one's marked. And then each one has at least 4 weeks. Some months have 5 weeks, so you get the bonus week, like this one here. And there you have it, the GPS to Full-Time RV Living coaching program. And the cart closes on Monday at midnight, Cyber Monday. So you want to get it now because it's not going to reopen until Black Friday next year. Mary from Life in the RV.